How to delete watch history and search history on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on tech and cryptos. If you're also trying to delete both your watch history and your search history of Prime Video, then let me show you the process of doing it. Let's delete the search history first. Open up your Prime Video app. Once you open up the app, just tap on your profile icon on the top right and then open up settings, which is also on the top right. From the settings page, you'll see an option of clear video search history. Tap on this option and your search history of Prime Video will be immediately cleared. And if you tap on the find option on the bottom right, it's no longer going to show you your search history on this platform. Now secondly, to delete your watch history, however, you'll need to open up the website of primevideo.com because within the app there is no option. So open up any web browser of your choice. Search for primevideo.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, again tap on the profile icon on the top right, and here you'll see an option of account and settings. Tap on this option, and inside of account and settings, on the top you'll see a few options. Swipe left and tap on watch history. Here it's going to show you all of your watch history. Now to remove your watch history, you can just tap on delete and that watch history will be instantly removed. And if you refresh it, you can see the watch history has been removed. If you have multiple profiles on Prime Video, you'll need to do them individually. Removing for one profile would not remove for all of the existing profiles. So you repeat the same process if you have multiple profiles and if you want to remove or delete watch history from all of them. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.